This is why I love living in Long Beach. I love the beach, love Belmont Shores, love Bixby Knolls, and what is more, with you they never be a bore. I love living in Long Beach. I like the bikes, I love the beat, I like the pike, I love 2nd Street. With you I really feel the heat. Oh, I love living in Long Beach. I love the Queen Mary, riding on the ferry, see the sights across the bay. The Aquarium Museum, you really gotta see 'em. And when the Grand Prix revs its way, I love to go to Retro Row. I love parades, the pride we show, and everybody ought to know. I love living in Long Beach. Sing it. This is what we call the Sandbox Shuffle. What else do you love about Long Beach? Well, I've got some other things I love. I love the parks, love Signal Hill. To dine on Pine gives me a thrill. And when I ride that Ferris wheel, ooh, I love living in Long Beach. The path's just made for walking, biking, talking, a crazy way to spend the day. You really feel alive here, don't even need to drive here. Get in gear and lead the way. I love the ships that fill our ports, so take a trip and show support. We can't sell this long story short. We love living in Long Beach. Come out and see me sometime. I'm in Long Beach, where things are always really fine. Is that right, John?
That's you got it.
Everybody ought to know. Sing it with me. I love living in Long Beach. All right, you come check us out in Long Beach. Check out Belmont Shores, Bixby Knolls, Belmont Heights, all of the places that are fun to explore. With you, they'd never be a bore. Why? I love living in Long Beach. We'll see you next time. This is Helene, the Out to Lunch Lady, outtolunchevents.com. Thanks.